Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss this concept, symmetric simultaneous differential equation. So as we know, dx upon p is equal to dy upon q is equal to dz upon r, where p, q, r, they are functions of x, y, z. In fact, I explained the concept of symmetric simultaneous differential equation in my earlier class. What is type of this differential equation, and basically there are three methods to find out its solution. Solution means there are two independent relations between x, y and z. So method of grouping is there, then second method is method of substitution, and third one is method of multipliers. So in this class I will explain you what is method of multiplier. Okay, so let us assume that, or this is the given differential equation. So what is mean by method of multipliers? So in method of multipliers, you have to choose the multipliers, let them call as L, M, N. Okay, here L, M, N, they are either constant or functions of x, y, z. So choose the multipliers, choose the set of multipliers L, M, N such that value of each ratio, so I write here each ratio is equal to L into dx plus M into dy plus N into dz upon LP plus MQ plus LP plus MQ plus NR. Now point is what? I have to choose the multipliers L, M, N, where L, M, N, they are either constant or functions of x, y, z, such that L into P plus M into Q plus N into R, it will become 0. Such that I will write here, such that L into P plus M into Q plus N into R is equal to 0. Okay. Now since the denominator is 0, so numerator has to be 0. So which implies LDX plus MDY plus NDZ is equal to 0. And using this relation, you can obtain the relation between x, y and z. Okay. So let us discuss one example based on method of multipliers. Now solve this example. Dx upon x into bracket 2y raised to 4 minus z raised to 4, okay, is equal to dy upon y into bracket z raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4, and is equal to dz upon z into bracket x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4. Okay, suppose you are asked to solve this example. It is symmetric simultaneous differential equation, and now I will explain you how to find out the relations between x, y and z, two relations, two independent relations, with the help of method of multipliers. Now we have to choose, I will write here first set of multipliers. First set of multipliers. Okay. So choose the value of L, M, N in a such a way that L into this, where L, M, N, they are either constant or functions of x, y, z, such that L into this plus M into this plus N into this is equal to 0. So first set of multipliers is, now how do we recognize that this example required method of multipliers? Because the denominator here, it is in cyclic order. See here, 2y raised to 4 minus z raised to 4, z raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4, and x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4. So I will choose first set of multipliers is x cube, y cube and z cube. So therefore each ratio is equal to, now what is numerator? X cube dx, each ratio means value of this h ratio is equal to plus y cube dy plus z cube dz upon, now multiply this expression by x cube, so x raised to 4, so what is this, 2x raised to 4 minus y raised to 4, then minus x raised to 4 minus z raised to 4, then plus this into y cube, so plus y raised to 4 z raised to 4 minus 2y raised to 4 z raised to 4, and what is last term, plus z raised to 4 x raised to 4 minus z raised to 4 y raised to 4. Now you look at the denominator, so x raised to 4 z raised to 4, so x raised to 4 z raised to 4, then y raised to 4 z raised to 4 plus times minus times, and 2 times x raised to 4 y raised to 4 minus 2 times, so denominator is 0, which implies numerator has to be 0. So x cube dx plus y cube dy plus z cube dz is equal to 0. Now integrate this. So on integration you will get, now I write here, integration gives us x raised to 4 plus y raised to 4 plus z raised to 4 is equal to c1. Okay, in fact you will get x raised to 4 by 4, so multiplied by 4 and adjust this 4 with this arbitrary constant. So this is your first relation. Now what is second set of multipliers? Choose, or second set of multipliers is second, okay I write here second set of multipliers. Second set of multipliers is, now there is no standard methods to find out the set of multipliers. You have to find out the multipliers from your observation power. So second set of multipliers is here 1 by x, then 1 by y and 2 by z. Please verify for this. Will you get denominator 0? n into this plus m into this plus n into this. So check, verify. So therefore I will write here each ratio is equal to, now what is numerator? 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 2 by z dz. And what is denominator? So x into 1 by x. So only the expression in bracket will remain, 2y raised to 4 minus z raised to 4. Then plus 1 by y into y, that is plus z raised to 4 minus 2x raised to 4 and plus 2 by z. So plus z will cancel, 2x raised to 4 minus 2y raised to 4. So look at the denominator, 2y raised to 4 minus 2y raised to 4. So here is minus, here is plus, minus, plus. So denominator is 0. It means numerator has to be 0. Therefore 1 by x dx plus 1 by y dy plus 2 by z dz is equal to 0. So integration gives ln x plus ln y plus 2 ln z is equal to ln c2. So therefore remove the logarithmic function and you will get second relation as x y z square is equal to c2. So this is your second relation. So first relation together with second relation, it gives us the solution of given symmetric simultaneous differential equation. Thank you for watching this video.